Trying to get to the bottom of the dash cam problem. Good afternoon, YouTube. It is 4 o'clock in the afternoon on a Wednesday afternoon. I'm sorry to be back in your face again, but here I am. I have 2 clips to show you, and I'm not going to take too long. Both of them are in the car. The first clip is using the dash cam, the Blackweb dash cam, along with the adapter that came with it to plug into the cigarette lighter, power port, accessory port, whatever you want to call that thing, on the car. And it's the thing that's got the little snake thing, you know, it looks like that, and plugs right into the hole there where the cigarette lighter used to fit. And that's what it is. And the first clip, you'll notice, is almost dead silent as far as noises in the recording, and you'll see that. And now the second clip is the one I just did a little while ago. It's using the little cable that comes with it that you transfer your files back down to the computer. It's just basically a short cable about yay long. And I remember I told you that the one was bad, and I proved that was bad, and that was part of that problem. What I did was use that and an extension cable and plugged it into my Monster outlet ports, or USB port is the 2 amp one is what I plugged it into. But anyway, the noise will be, you'll hear the noise. And I can tell you also that if I'm just sitting there with the car turned on to accessory, that noise is not present. So it has to be something to do with the noise generated by either the voltage level going up over the 12-volt line or whatever, you know what I'm saying. Has something to do with that, or either that or ignition or alternator noise or something like that. But I hear the same thing when I plug into the, like I said, the little AC adapter, the little Samsung. I hear that same noise. So whatever that is, if you got some alternating current feeding the adapter, or the USB adapter, or whatever you want to call it, that seems to be the where it's coming from. But anyway, like I say, I'll play both of them, and you'll hear what I'm talking about. And what my next idea is this. I know this makes a little noise because I've heard this before. It's not nowhere near as bad as the other ones, but it does make a little noise. So not really sure why either, but there must be circuitry in there, I guess. So I don't know. But I know it shouldn't do that, but it does work really good with the adapter that came with it. It's quiet, it works. If I could just get the thing figured out to where it would keep recording like it's supposed to. So this is my dilemma. There is a problem somewhere, and I'm going to try to get to the bottom of it. So if anybody that has any suggestions, I'm willing to listen to any of them. So all right, gonna play this, and then as soon as I play this, I'm not gonna do an exit or anything like that. I'll just say goodbye now, and like I say, check and listen to them and see what you think. It's time to go get Kylie. Let's go get her and see what she's up to. Pumped up the tire, so should be good there. Hoping this thing works out like I hope it will. I mean, I turned the looping off, and should just be straight video. I'm hoping it will make, you know, each time I turn the car off or whatever, it makes a new file. I would think that would be the way it would work, but you know, you never can tell. Those wily Chinese, you just never know about them. on now. I think it's recording. I have it plugged into the Monster, as I told you I would. Basically, I'm just going to try a little drive around, see how that works out, and just basically check it out. See, I think it's recording. I can't really see because it's so bright out here. Alright, give it a shot, see what happens. As far as Bill, I watched his little flap with his camera, Blackweb camera. He must talk a lot louder than I do. I don't think mine comes through that good. But anyway, I'm not really sure if this is WVGA or 720p. I think it's 720p, and I think the WVGA is just a reduced version of that. That's the way I feel about it. Because I like the 720p better than I do the WVGA on this. That's just my opinion, you know. Everybody's got their own opinion, I reckon. That's the way I understand it. So, anywho. But yeah, Bill, I'm taking this down to Walmart. In fact, I think I'll drive down there just to see where, I don't know where the tire and auto place is at. I've never been down there. I mean, I've been to the front, but I've never been around the back. So we'll take a little trip down there and see. Now, I would turn this around, and I may do that later on once the car warms up, but right now it's cold. I just wanted to try this out and see if it's working. I like the footage from this camera is good. I mean, you know, it looks good.